Right, so here we are at the Budapest Parliament House. Let's go take a look close up and see some details around this building and this area. Gorgeous skyline. Just look at that. Gorgeous skyline. Beautiful statues. Last time I was here was about a year and a half ago, and I actually didn't come here. I spent most of my time on the other side of the city, and this time I'm actually checking out parts of town that I missed last time. Let's check this out. What is this? Who is this? Seems like some ceremony, some crowning going on. Look at the detail on that. The level of detail is amazing. Let's take a walk around. Find my brother and my sister. See where they're at. Let's cross the road here. Get a better view. Wow. Holy shit. Such a complex looking structure, huh? Look at the level of detail on every facade, every window, every pillar. So amazing. It's different when you see it on video, I'll tell you, because I used to watch YouTube videos. But when you're actually here, witnessing this with your own two eyes, I swear to God, it just looks 10 times bigger.